coming to you from River Shores Chiropractic, and I'm here with Carrie. Carrie's kids are relatively new patients here. They've been under care for about 2 months, and she's going to share a little story about the results and changes that they've seen in that short 2 months with her kids.
I have 3 children, all that came into chiropractic care after we'd done a lot of searching to try to find alternative treatments for some ADHD behaviors that they were exhibiting. And we had come to a perfect storm talk and heard Dr. Christie speak and wanted to investigate really another option versus medicating our children. We just didn't want to do that and needed to find a new way.
So yesterday, we actually just went through their second progress scan, and tell everyone what you said about the scans.
It's amazing to me to finally have something that's visual in terms of the changes that are occurring with our kids. It's one thing to have subjective information of our kids are doing better in school, they're now med-free, and in your heart and your mind you want to see changes, but when you have a scan that shows you exact printouts that show changes that are made to them, it's hard to deny that it works.
So you're really seeing that functional change on an objective level. So tell everyone a little bit about what you've noticed day to day, their quality of life. How have things changed in the last 2 months for them?
In the last 2 months, what I've noticed significantly for our kids is that our house is calm for the first time in many, many years. They feel calm, we feel calm. There's just a joyfulness, a happiness that you can feel in our house because so much of the stress of challenging type ADHD behaviors are to a minimum. And to me, that's priceless.
It's really your family dynamic has entirely changed,
Our
not just
family.
the behavior, but
Right.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And the last couple weeks at school, they've been doing really well with no aid of, right?
The last 2 weeks, our kids have both gone med-free, which is the first time in many, many years that we have felt comfortable trusting the fact that they could go med-free. Their learning is the most important thing to us. So now to be able to do that without anything artificial, no stimulants in their body, and to see that there's no change that's reported by the teachers or anybody at school, that they're continuing to learn because their body is functioning the way that it should, you can't get any better than that.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And I know so many of you would love the same for your family and your children. We would love to help you here at River Shores. This is something that we see on a regular basis. So thanks so much, Carrie, for sharing your story.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.